Hey, Ella's back, and I have a $60 session this time. Decided to do this cash explosion. Never had any luck with these. A friend of mine had a 20 times the other night, so it made me want to try. So I got ticket 8, 9, and 10. And here we go, start 8. What am I looking for? The money bag, matching numbers, and 20 times. Okay. 33, 49, 48, 36, 43, 16, and 45. 11, 24, 32, 9, 30, 22, 40, 1, 19, 23, 42, 44, 26, 47, 31, 29, 21, 6, 13, 34, 4, 14, 8, 28, and a loser. That hurts, $20. That hurts. Alright, ticket number 9. 15, 8, 45, 11, 19, 48, 23. I feel like a lot of these numbers were on the last ticket. So, 18, 17, 27, 26, 23. Yay! 16, 29, 41, 33, 43, 31, 24, 28, 9, 22, 1, 45. For another 45. All right. 35, 50, 42, 49, oops, 7, 39. So what, 3?
Yeah, 3. 23, 45, 45.
All right. Okay. Let's zoom in. 23. $5. Just beautiful. 45. $10. Let me guess what this one's gonna be. $5. Yep.
Okay.
So
On your money back.
I won my money back for this one. Okay. Here we go. Ticket 10, 24, 39, 49, 16, 35, 27, and 31. 2, 33, 18, 43, 5, 25, 11, 6, 10, 9, 26, 28, 30, 14, 48, 21, 47, 8, 34, 38, 4, 29, 12, 46, and 13, and a loser. All right, out of $60, I won $20. Fantastic. Well, at least I got a winner, you know. So, thanks for watching, guys.